how to combine PDF files without Acrobat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge or combine multiple PDF files into one PDF file for free without having to have any apps or anything like that. And while I'll be doing this on a Mac, the method I'm going to show you will work on literally any device that you're using, including your phone, Android, iPhone, Windows computer, Chromebook, Mac, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the tool we're going to be using to combine PDF files is going to be PDFGadget.com. Now, full disclosure, I created PDFGadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly in the browser on your device. Nothing ever leaves your device, meaning it's very private. Check the description. I'll have a link down there. Once you get to PDFGadget.com, simply select Merge PDFs. Then all we need to do is select PDF files to merge. From there, find the PDF files that you want to merge, and you can select them in multiple times if you need to. Once you have the PDFs selected, you can organize them by selecting the arrows. If you need to change the order of them, I'm going to put the resume first. And by the way, you can have tons of PDFs here. It's not just limited to 2. You can add as many as you want to be able to combine them. If you added a PDF by accident and you want to delete it, select the trash can. But once you're ready, select Merge Files and then Download. It'll then open up the merged PDF. As you can see, we have the resume and then diploma here. And all we need to do is go up into the top right, select the folder icon, and then just tell it where you want to save it. You can give it a name and then select Save. And now when I go to my little folder here of PDFs, you can see I have my resume, diploma, and then my merged PDF that I can open up and view those 2 PDFs that were merged together. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.